Hello guys, we're gonna feed this leftover of bulalo meat to this cat right here, which we named Whitey. He's a full-grown male adult cat now, and we're trying to give it to him. So here it is. Look, Whitey! Whitey! Hopefully hopefully he will like it. Eat. Oh, still busy eating other things. I guess I'll not like it. Oh, there you go. Try to sniff it. I think he doesn't notice it, or he just don't like it. Yeah, I think he's not like it. He's busy munching over other chicken bones and fish as well. So there you go. Please follow and subscribe for more feeding videos like this. Bye bye. Say bye next.